Want to catch return value bugs before runtime? TypeScript's return type annotations are your first line of defense. To specify a function's return type in TypeScript, use a colon after the parameter list, followed by the type. For example, function getName takes no parameters and returns a string. The colon string annotation tells TypeScript exactly what this function will give back. Functions that don't return anything use the void type. Arrow functions follow the same pattern. Place the colon and return type right before the arrow. This works for both simple arrow functions and ones with explicit blocks. Here's how it looks in practice. A function returning a number uses $number. A Boolean function uses $Boolean. You can even return complex types like arrays or objects. The syntax stays consistent. Parameters in parentheses, return type, then the function body. TypeScript can actually infer return types from your code, but explicit annotations prevent mistakes and improve readability. When you explicitly type your returns, other developers and your IDE instantly know what to expect. Type inference is convenient, but explicit is better for maintainability. Use syntax after parameters to specify return types. Keep your TypeScript functions type-safe and your team will thank you. Practice this pattern in your next TypeScript project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.